All organization works on certain principles. These principles are very important to accomplish the organization's goal. There are many principles to run an organization. In this video we will talk about the important ones. First one is principles of objectives. All the enterprises, whether large or small, set certain central objectives. Every element of the organization and organization as a whole should be geared to the central objectives identified by the enterprise. Principle of specialization. Precise division of work facilitates specialization. According to this principle, division of work among the employees should be based on their knowledge, skills, abilities, capabilities, and interest. This would lead to a specialization, which would in turn lead to efficiency, quality, and elimination of wastage of resources. The scalar principle. This principle is sometimes referred to as the chain command. There must be clear lines of authority running from the top to bottom of the organization and linking all individuals in the organization. The principle of authority. Authority is an important ingredient of the organization structure. It is the tool by which the manager can create an environment where an individual can perform with greater efficiency. The principle of span of control. This principle states that there is a limit to the number of subordinates that report to one superior. Supervision of too many people can lead to trouble and confusion. Also, the superior will not be able to spare time to supervise each of his subordinates. It will lead to increased complexity of the organization structure. The principle of unity of command. This principle is basically about avoiding dual reporting. It states that every individual employee working in the organization should be kept in the supervision of one boss only. This principle eliminates the possibility of conflicts in instructions and fosters a feeling of personal responsibility for work. The principle of definition. Each individual in the organization should be made aware about his or her responsibilities, duties, authorities, and relations with the other job positions in the organization structure. Principle of unity of direction. The basic motive for the existence of organization is the attainment of certain objectives. Major objectives should be split into functional activities, and there should be one objective and one plan for each group of people. The principle of parity of authority and responsibility. The responsibility for execution of work must be accompanied by the authority to control and direct the means of doing the work. The principle of supremacy of organizational objectives. The organizational goals and objectives should be given wide publicity within the organization. The people contributing to it should be made to understand that enterprise objectives are more valuable and significant, and one should give higher priority to organization's objectives in comparison to personal motives. So they are the main principles to run an organization. These are helpful in accomplishing a goals. Thank you. In the next video, we will talk about the departmentation and centralized and decentralized structure of organization.